Dear students, I am Sobha Bansiwal, Assistant Professor English, SPC Government College, Bhim. Today I am going to explain some salient features of the play As You Like It, which is in BA Part 2nd year, paper first of English literature. First of all, this play was composed around the year 1600. Uh, uh, it is difficult to find out the exact date the of the composition of this any play of Shakespeare, but most probably this play must have been composed in the year 1600, because in 1598 um, uh, Marlowe wrote a poem Hero and Leander, in which he wrote whoever loved that loved not at first sight, and this line Shakespeare used in this play. So it is clear that this play was not written before 1598. So it is, and the language and the style of language and versification also makes us to suppose that this play must have been written around the year 1600. Next, the source of the play. This play, As You Like It, the story of this play has been derived from Thomas Lowe's novel Rosalind, and the title of this play, As You Like It, has been derived from the preface of this novel. In this preface, the line uh, "If you like it so" has been used, and Shakespeare used this line as the title of this play, As You Like It. The next is the setting of this play. This play has been this play is set. This play is the this play is the story of this play is set in France, at the time when France was divided in many provinces and dukedoms, and the story of this play is set in one of these dukedoms, and the opening scenes of this play are set in France, and then the scene of the play transfers to the Forest of Arden. Forest of Arden is a imaginary place created by Shakespeare, and the next point is parallelism and contrast. In this play, we find many contrast and parallelism. The Duke Senior, there is contrast between Duke Senior and Duke Frederick. Duke Frederick is cruel and Duke Frederick is cruel. He banishes his own brother and banishes him from his kingdom and usurps his uh, uh, property. And on the other hand, Duke Senior is very gentle and kind person. And there is contrast between the character of Oliver and Orlando. Orlando is very gentle and kind, and on the other hand, Oliver is very cruel and Orlando is a cruel and hard-hearted person. He is a crafty person. In this play, we find there is also contrast in these characters. Uh, the characters of Orlando and Oliver are contrasted with the character of Celia and Rosalind. Celia and Rosalind both are cousins, and they are devoted to each other. On the other hand, Orlando and Oliver too are brothers, but they they there is no love between them. There is parallelism and similarities in this play. Uh, the story of the dukes run parallel to the story of the of Orlando and Oliver. Uh, the Duke Frederick um, usurps the um, dukedom of his elder brother um, and banishes him from the kingdom. On the other hand, Oliver too is cruel like Frederick, and he doesn't provide education to his younger brother, and he he doesn't give him all of his rights, and he plans to murder his own brother. So there is similarities and parallelism in the story of the Dukes and the story of Oliver and Orlando. Uh, then the courtly characters. Uh, all these courtly characters are contrasted with the pastoral characters like William, Audrey, Sylvius, and Feb. All these all these courtly characters are contrasted with uh, pastoral characters. The, the the courtly characters are very crafty, and they try to uh, compete each other, and they uh, they are full. The courtly characters are very crafty. On the other hand, the pastoral characters are very innocent. So the craftiness and the craftiness of courtly characters are contrasted with the selflessness and innocence of the pastoral characters. The next chief feature of this play is that this play belongs to a group of comedies of Shakespeare which are known as merry comedies or sunny comedies or mature comedies. Among these comedies are Shakespeare's comedies, Much Ado About Nothing and Twelfth Night. Both these comedies are prose comedies, and like them, uh, As You Like It, this play is also a prose comedy. And like those comedies, this play also has poetic and idyllic atmosphere. So, and this play, As You Like It, is sunniest or merriest of all of these comedies. So, the next point is pastoral setting. This play is set in the most of the action of this play is set in the forest of Arden, and here Shakespeare presents various shepherds and shepherdesses, and the natural scenery, and all the characters pass their time in close to nature, and they live beside shepherds and shepherdesses, and so this play has pastoral setting, and it has idyllic idyllic atmosphere also. um, play, Shakespeare presents the disadvantages of court life